everyone, many thanks for joining us. Can one viral video change the way Nigerians see political families forever? That is the question many have been asking after Ozonna Soludo, the son of Anambra State Governor Soludo, unexpectedly became one of the country's most talked about political personalities. He did not announce a political party. He did not address a campaign rally. He did not even grant a major television interview. Yet, within hours, his name was trending across social media, sparking debates that stretched far beyond Anambra State.
Shame unto you, oh, power belong to Jesus. Shame unto you, oh, power belong to Jesus. Cause we laugh up your shame unto you, oh, power belong to Jesus. That's so we can shame unto you, oh, power belong to Jesus. 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 Oh, who's a game man, shame unto you, oh, power belong to Jesus. Soludo, shame unto you, oh, power belong to.
What made the moment remarkable was not simply the video itself. It was what many Nigerians believe it represented. For decades, the children of powerful politicians have largely remained in the background, rarely commenting on issues that could embarrass or contradict their parents. Ozonna's viral appearance changed that long-standing expectation and reopened an important conversation about politics, family, and freedom of expression. The incident began when Ozonna appeared in a social media video dancing to a viral song that mentioned several prominent Nigerian political figures, including President Bola Tinubu and his own father, Governor Soludo. Although the clip was short and contained no political speech, many viewers interpreted his reaction as symbolic. Within hours, the video spread rapidly across multiple platforms, generating thousands of comments and conflicting interpretations. Some viewers praised Ozonna for appearing independent and authentic. Others argue that too much political meaning was being attached to what may have been nothing more than a personal social media post. The debate quickly shifted away from the video itself and focused on a broader question. Should the children of serving governors remain silent whenever politics enter public discussions? That question has become increasingly relevant in modern Nigeria. Social media has transformed the relationship between politicians and the public. Years ago, governors carefully controlled their public image through official statements, press conferences, and interviews. Today, however, a single post by a family member can dominate national headlines before government spokesperson even have time to react. Ozonna Soludo belongs to a younger generation that communicates differently from previous political families. Like many young Nigerians, he uses social media to share music, fashion, travel, and personal experiences. But unlike most young Nigerians, every public appearance is examined through a political lens because of who his father is, whether he intends it or not. Ordinary content can suddenly become national political discussion. This is not the first time Ozonna has attracted attention. Over the years, he had occasionally expressed opinions that generated debate, reinforces the perception that he is willing to present himself as an independent individual rather than simply as the governor's son. That public image has made every new appearance attract even greater attention. The discussion surrounding Ozonna also reflects a wider trend within Nigerian's politics. Across the country, the children of influential politicians are becoming more visible in public life. Some actively defend their parents. Others participate in political campaigns. Some have accepted government appointments, while others have entered electoral politics directly. For example, Sudin Bala Mohammed, son of Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed, has repeatedly commented on national political issues, including youth empowerment and the activities of political leaders. His exchanges with other prominent political families demonstrated that Nigeria's next political generation is increasingly willing to engage publicly rather than remain behind the scenes. Elsewhere, the daughters and sons of other influential political figures have also become familiar faces within party structures, government appointments, and public debates. Supporters argue that these individuals should enjoy the same political rights as every other Nigerian citizen. Critics, however, worry that politics could gradually become concentrated within a relatively small number of powerful families. This is where the Ozonna Soludo story becomes much larger than one viral video. The real issue is not whether his social media post was political. The more important question is whether Nigeria is witnessing a new relationship between political families and the public. For decades, political influence was largely exercised by elected officials themselves. Today, family members can shape public conversations simply through their online presence. Another reason the debate matters is that younger Nigerians increasingly consume political information through social media rather than traditional news outlets. Viral moments often influence public discussion more quickly than official government announcements. A governor's son posting a 30-second video may therefore receive more public attention than a lengthy government policy statement released on the same day. Political analysts say this reflects the changing nature of communication rather than a change in constitutional power. Ozonna Soludo holds no elected office and exercises no executive authority. However, public attention itself has become a form of influence. Individuals with large online audiences can shape conversations, attract media coverage, and influence how political events are interpreted, even without holding formal positions. At the same time, public visibility brings greater scrutiny. Every statement, photograph, or video posted by the child of a serving governor is likely to be analyzed politically. Supporters may celebrate it. Opponents may criticize it. Neutral observers may read meanings that were never intended. In today's political environment, family members often become part of the political narrative, whether they choose that role or not. The broader lesson extends beyond Anambra State. Nigerian democracy is evolving alongside technology. Political conversation is no longer controlled exclusively by government officials, party spokesperson, or traditional media. Family members, influencers, and ordinary citizens now participate directly in shaping public opinion through digital platforms that reach millions of people within minutes. Whether this development strengthens democracy depends on how that influence is used. If political families encourage open debate, accountability, and independent thinking, greater public participation could benefit democratic culture. If, however, family influence simply becomes another channel for preserving political power within a small circle of elites, many Nigerians will continue questioning whether politics is becoming increasingly dynastic. So, Is Ozonna Soludo leading a political revolution? Based on the available evidence, the answer is no. There is no indication that he is organizing a political movement, leading a campaign, or seeking public office. But his viral appearance has highlighted something equally important. Nigerian political families are no longer insulated from the fast-moving world of social media. Perhaps that is the real story. A single online moment involving a governor's son has sparked a national discussion about political identity, generational change, and the growing influence of digital communication. Whether Ozonna intended it or not, his story reflects a new political reality, one in which family members of powerful leaders are no longer merely observers. They have become part of the conversation, and that conversation is likely to shape Nigerian politics for years to come. If you found this report insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am Scrutiny, and many thanks for watching.